Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to unblock phone number into your HTC Desire 628. First of all, open your phone application, and then in the top right corner we got three dots, so click it and choose blocked contact. And here we got all our blocked numbers and contacts. And for example, unblock this last contact, press and hold, and click unblock contact. Confirm operation unblock, click OK, and now unblock, for example, this first number. Press and hold, click unblock contact, unblock this contact, yes, OK, and that's it. Now we unblocked these two numbers. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.